Spree with me and our local style trails can be a transformational experience for our guests. It's not just a 4-hour walking tour. My name is Imogen Whittle. I'm the founder and director of Spree with me and I'm a personal stylist. Our walking tours are inner city adventures where we explore either Paddington, James Street or Brisbane City. Paddington is a gorgeous suburb with a rich history from the 1800s and lots of hidden gems to explore. Spree with me's local style trails are a glamorous city adventure where you shop with a personal stylist as your private guide and you're pampered with shopping, personal styling, food and wine. Our local style trails cater to locals and visitors alike, and we always hear feedback that they're so surprised about the hidden gems but also gained confidence through personal styling.